Let's get to cooking this chicken before we toss this chicken salad together. Unfortunately, I actually was at the gym later than I thought I would be. And I'm gonna go ahead and just make my chicken salad when I'm in a hurry and do my little dressing hack instead of sharing my actual dressing that I put together myself. And yeah, so let's do this. I will share that in the next video. I actually bought this bone in, so I took the bone off myself, and I'm actually going to make some chicken broth with the bones and all the meat that's still attached to the bone. Adding some lemon zest, fresh garlic, salt, pepper, I'm just going to crisp it up a bit. Oh yes, that's what I'm looking for right there. Garlic on this side. Lemon zest. Fresh lemon. Just a bit of salt. And top it off with a little bit more pepper. One thing you don't want to do is overcook your chicken breast. You want it nice and fully cooked, but also moist. At this point, you can actually use a thermometer if you want to and make sure it's the correct degrees. But I know this has been cooking long enough and it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and set it aside, and I'm going to let it set for about 5 minutes. These Better Good lime sparkling waters are really good. They didn't have any other flavors, but I'm looking forward to trying some more flavors because this one's really, really good. First, I'm going to get the Caesar dressing. I'm using a classic Caesar salad kit, but you can use whatever salad kit you like. This is just my go-to. Give this a shake. And what I'm going to do is only put half of this in here. Not even half, just enough for taste. This is the Parmesan packet that actually comes with the salad. I'm just going to sprinkle just a bit in there. Save the rest for later. I have my croutons. There's not that many, so I'll probably use all of these. Adding half of a clove of garlic. I'm shredding it. You could press it or dice it, do whatever you like. Salt and pepper. This was probably a medium to smaller lemon. I love this little juicer. I got this one at Marshall's. I'm going to set this in the refrigerator while I prepare my salad. Now I'm going to add my power greens. I'm just going to set these on top. They say they're pre-rinsed, but I actually always rinse them. Just toss it together. I should have used a bigger bowl, but these are my salad bowls. Add everything to the salad. I have some broccoli, florets, and also the stem or trunk, whatever you want to call it. Some purple onion, try to get the thin ones. It doesn't have to be perfect. Cucumber. For some reason, I've been a real big fan of cucumber lately in my salads. Tomato. It's still nice and steamy. Let me see, this one looks like a good one. And a piece. It's really, really good. It's tender. Oh my goodness. But I'm just going to add just a bit more salt and pepper and then add it to my salad. Just give this another little stir. And I'm going to pour it on. It may not look like a lot, but the lemon adds a lot of flavor and it makes it a bit more liquidy, so it spreads around easier as far as my opinion, and it actually really tastes good. This is not many croutons at all, so I'm going to add them. This is my quick and easy chicken salad when I just want to toss one together, but I don't want all the calories of the dressing that it comes with. You could use the dressing as is, or you could try what I've done. And I think you'll like it. It's pretty good. So try it out, and I'll see you in my next video.